What's going on YouTube? We're going to be talking about the Iron Butterfly today. The Iron Butterfly, as you can see, is a relatively advanced strategy that seeks to profit if a stock closes at a very specific price that we will be setting ourselves, and you will be setting for
Anne Hathaway, Frank Beverly, and
ideal of a stock with low volatility and is an overall a low risk and low reward trade. So even though it says that we won't be making so much, I got a way that we could be making a pretty good profit for a very low risk. And if you come over here or go on your brokerage account, I use Robinhood because it is easier for you guys to see me trade and visualize what is going on and maybe keep up. But you guys could use any brokerage software or whatever you guys use into your interest. Now, if we come over here, we got CRSR Gaming, which would be, let's say, a less volatile stock. Now, again, this is not financial advice, so please don't take this. This is just an example. Do not take this and go use it. This is just financial advice. Now, let's say CRSR Gaming, I believe that is going to stay at a 31 to 32 price. You know, it's really staying there. It's not moving between 31 and 32, so it's staying between there. And let's say you don't think it's even going to go below 30 or anywhere above. Top was 36, so it's not going to go above 36 and it's not going to go below 30, and you think it's going to hit 32. That's what you need to know for an Iron Butterfly when reading stocks. So let's go over to trade options. We're going to go over there and remember to choose your expiration date and not, mess that up. Is the 7th today, so a week out would be the 16th. Here's the share price, which is what we are at, $31.87. So, like I said, we think we were going to stay around $32.50, which is closest we can really get with the strike prices that we have available. So, we were going to sell a call, which is going to give us a credit of 72 cents, and we were going to also sell a put in the same exact spot. Now, if we look over here, we got a credit of $2.20. Now, look, we got a max profit. So if it hits the 32.50, that's our max profit of $222. Now, our break-evens would be $30.30 and $34.70, which those are break-evens. But then look at our max loss. It is unlimited.
so I'm just a little shook up. That's all that is.
We don't want that. That is high risk, and I don't think you guys want to be losing $3,000 for only a $220 profit. So this is what the Iron Butterfly does. So we are going to buy a put underneath the strike price we chose. We don't think it's going to go below 30 like we said before, so we're going to choose that where we want to. So we're going to buy a put there, and then we didn't say it was going to go above $35, so we were going to buy a call there. And you need to make sure, so you see how these are even. If I clicked this one, you see how it's not even, and it makes a max loss more. So you need to make sure that the buy call is and the buy put is the same exact distance away, strike prices away, equally away from the middle, what you chose for the sell call and sell put, where you want their max profit to be. Now, so we chose here, and we're going to get a total credit of $1.68, which times 100 shares would be $168, which if the underlying stock hits $32.50, then we will be hitting max profit $168, which it would expire, and we would keep our $168 after July 16th. Now, let's say CRSR Gaming wants to go $33, we still make $50, Our break evens would be $34.18 and $30.82, which is what we chose.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Hi, it's Future Me here. I was just editing and I just wanted to correct myself because I totally don't even know why I said any of that. So we did not choose these prices right here, the break evens. You don't choose those. We actually choose these the long call and long puts, which is our long put would be $30 and our long call would be $35, which would be your buy call and buy put. And we chose this to be where our max loss would be. You could actually change these if you want to. That is complete up to you. So if we change these, it would look like this, but then again, we would have a much more loss, you know. So that's why we keep those for that reason. And now we're going to get back to the video. Here are like long legs right here, the $30 and $35, and we would lose $82 for each of those, which would be our max loss right there. That's like if it went to $35 or $30, we would hit max loss. Now we go over here and hit, I'm not going to because I don't want to purchase this with any intentions. You guys can if you want to. That is all on you. Again, this is not financial advice. So we go over to contracts. We choose one or however many you want. We can do 5 and get a minimum credit of $840 and choose that and have a, you know, $410 be our max loss. And then here's our limit price. Oh, let's set this back to 1 real quick. And so we're gonna limit price. We get the bid and the ask. Now you can decide and go play with that if you want, and, you know, sit there and wait, put it in the middle, and hopefully someone meets you in the middle and, you know, fills or whatnot. Or you could go directly for the ask price, which be filled in almost immediately, or even go for the bid price, wait even longer and get it in at a better price, you know. So then you have the expires, which is good for day or good to canceled. If you really want this option, you think you really want it to last for a little bit, I would say good till canceled. So maybe like if you put it at 3 o'clock or like 2:50, you know, and you said good for a day, it's just gonna expire after 10 minutes. You want to stay for the next day for someone ever to buy or whatnot. So then you would review your order and send it out. And that is pretty much what the iron butterfly is. So as you can see, you can make a very good profit for like half of its, you know, max loss. And as you can see, you can do these with, you could go and look for many less volatile stocks, and you could keep doing this and making money. So that is the iron butterfly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below for any questions.
I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.